Alright, hey guys, we are we're back with another video, and today we have this organization cabinet, parts cabinet as it says over here. But yeah, as you can see, it has 33 drawers as it says over here. There's some other information down there, and yeah, just gonna show you all around it. Here's the top. Sure, the sides are just blank, and the bottom is like that. Yeah, just blank. But yeah, I picked this up for $35 plus tax, excluding tax, $35. But this was picked up at Canadian Tire, and yeah, it was one of the better deals I found. And I mainly bought this for I bought an Arduino set I unboxed a couple months ago. And I just really hate having all the wires messed up and all the components just be disorganized in that small box. So I thought I'd buy something like this to keep it more organized. And yeah, we're just gonna cut open the little plastic wrapping on the outside. There we go. Apologies. Alright. Alright, they don't really stay in place. They're very shaky. You can take them out completely like that. So yeah, they're not very stable. Oh, they do have their little compartments. As you can see, there's a metal ridge. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Trying to get a better angle on it, but yeah, just slide it in like that. It gives a little small gap in between. Yeah, this one has it too. Yeah, so if you look at the bottom over here, let me just rotate the camera down a little bit. We have all this, so we can divide these spaces by a certain amount, so that's pretty useful. There's all different sizes because there's different size compartments. Each of them have their own sized dividers. So yeah, we have quite a bit of these small ones right here. Oh, there's another one of those big ones. Yep, small ones. You have quite a bit. Each one of them have 5, so that's 10, 20, 30. It comes with 30 of these small ones. And it comes with 3 of these larger ones. Yep. And to just stick these in, just gonna do an example here with the larger one. I'm sure you just do it this way. Yep. Never mind. There we go. Now it's in there. I'm not sure if you do it this way, but I'm sure both ways works. Let me try this way. Yeah, they stay in place. Yeah, not too well, not very secure, but it's good enough in my opinion. Sorry about that, but yeah, this one's a little bent. Not sure why. But now let's see this one. This one, yeah, you put it across like this. There we go. Seems very simple. Now let me try one of the smaller ones. These ones, you just go across like that. You can't go like that. Yeah, that seems to be the same for all of them. So let's get one of these ripped up. There we go. Now we just gotta put it through like this. And there we go. There's a little space right there. Very nice. It's very cheap, $35. And I'm pretty sure they said the housing was metal. It is metal on the sides. I'm pretty sure the top part. Let me try moving the camera. I'm almost 100% certain this is plastic, but yeah, there's also space for you to put stuff on top. And yeah, this will be it for now. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. I will try my best to answer them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.